If you think your account has been hacked, if you think someone is accessing your account, if you think someone is using your account without your permission and you cannot stop it, this is the video for you, all right? In this video, I'll be giving you a solution on how to prevent this forever, all right? So that you don't experience this, okay? Yeah, so most of us, whenever we start in Deriv, we usually do some mistakes like giving someone access to our account, sharing our login details, sharing our API tokens, and so on, okay? But if you start seeing that you cannot even access your account, you see that it is becoming difficult for you to use your own account because someone is in it, this is what you do. You close the entire thing, okay? Close it. So you'll just come here at the bottom. So basically you click on this part on your screen, all right? I know, yeah, just click on this profile if you're using your phone or your laptop, and then you'll be directed to this page. And then I want you to scroll to the bottom and click on close your account and close that account, right? Yeah, once somebody has access to your account, even if you secure it, they may find access back to that account. So you close it, okay? Yeah, so if you're wondering what you're supposed to do, close it. But before you close it, ensure you've withdrawn everything from your account. Withdraw all your funds from your account and then open a new, fresh account, okay? And after you open it, in the next video, I'll be showing you how now to secure and prevent any hacking of any form once you open that new account, okay? Yeah, I hope this will help someone because, yeah, it happens a lot. So do not keep on trying to get them out of that account. Close it. Close it, withdraw your money and get out, okay? Yeah, if you have any more difficulty after this, please let me know in the comment section and I will answer you. Apart from that, guys, thank you very much for listening and let us meet in the next one.